Apple trading lower this morning. The stock was the only Dow component in the green week to date, now giving back a lot of those gains. Two of its new products are launching today, the new Apple Watch and AirPods. Joining us today, DA Davidson's Tom Forte, talk about how the stock, Tom, might act in a tougher tape. Is it your sense it's going to be a general or a source of funds?
I definitely think it's going to be a general. The good news for Apple is that to date, consumers have shown a willingness to have some of their discretionary income go to Apple's products. I also think the good news is for the iPhone 14, they were limited in their ability to get 13 in the hands of consumers on persistent supply chain challenges. To the extent you see improvement there, the iPhone 14 should outperform the 13.
You think they're pricing for a troubled consumer?
Yes. So I think they are. At the same time, they're doing it kind of in an Apple way, which is think of all the things they're doing to enable a consumer to spread the payments for their Apple. They're essentially engaging in their version of buy now, pay later. They have the Goldman Sachs credit card that enables you to spread payments over time for the higher priced Apple items. And I think ultimately they're going to mirror what the cable companies did, which is charge you a bundled monthly rate for hardware and services, and that'll enable them to sell the iPhone for $2,000, not $1,000.
But Tom, does the valuation of Apple need to come down here?
I don't think so. To the extent that one of the reasons the stock has done so well for an extended period of time is they continue to generate a ton of free cash flow and use a lot of the free cash flow to buy back shares. So I think you're going to continue to see support for the stock. And then again, to the extent that some of their higher margin services efforts continue to do well, I think that could sustain the multiple.
I'm going to channel Carl here. You've got Apple sponsoring the Super Bowl halftime show starting in February, taking the mantle from PepsiCo. How big of a deal, how big of a coup is that for Apple? How could that potentially translate into more sales or more business for them?
It is a coup. I am nervous. I've written a lot of research on why I think Amazon spending $1 billion for Thursday Night Football is a money loser. I do think that this is a signature day for Apple, with the Yankees playing tonight on Apple and potentially Judge hitting his historic home run. It's good for Apple, sponsor the Super Bowl, but I hope they don't go crazy and get NFL Sunday Ticket and follow Amazon down the challenges there.